Dear students, now we are in the topic Junior JEE Bridge course. In the Junior JEE Bridge course topic, we are discussing about straight lines. Straight lines. Already equation of straight lines model I said. Today I want to discuss with you some examples. Formulae, I think you know that slope of a line, slope of 2 points we discussed. Now slope of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Already we have learned, you know that. Just I am making you to remember that slope of this line is, here I am writing minus coefficient of x. You can understand this one as minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. It is indicated with m. So you can write here m is equal to minus a by b. M means here slope, students. Here capital I am writing, don't get confused here. Minus L by M. This is slope. Slope of the line ax plus b plus c equal to 0 is minus a by b, and lx plus m plus n equal to 0 is minus L by M. So you should remember this one as the formula minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Let us discuss some examples. Find the slope of the lines. Find the slope of the lines x plus y equal to 0 comma x minus y equal to 0. Of course, there is no need constant. There is no question of constant while calculating slope of the line. You can understand here. This is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0. Slope, you can write here, slope m formula minus a by b, that is equal to minus 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. Here also slope m is equal to minus a by b concept. So you write here minus 1 by minus 1, it becomes 1. This is according to formula of the given line, and you can understand this one as y is equal to minus x, and this one as y is equal to x. We discussed regarding this equation. This is the equation of straight line passing through origin having negative slope. So this is. So angle here is making 135 angle. Or according to 135 plus 180 concept, 315 degrees angle like this. This is 315 degrees. Tan 135 value minus 1. So directly you can say minus 1. This line is passing 0 comma 0. For this one, y is equal to x. It is positive. It is having 45 degrees, and with the positive direction of x-axis, it is passing through 0 comma 0. The line y is equal to x. If this side you calculate the angle, it becomes 225. The concept is 180 plus 45. According to our trigonometry, obviously our takes the concept. For tan 45 value 1, tan 135 value minus 1, tan 125 value 1, and tan 15 value minus 1. So plus or minus 1 will be oscillating. Like that, using the tan theta, you can compute the slope. Otherwise, using the formula also, you can see the slope. Now, let us discuss about the equation of line having 2 points in shortcut method. For simple, depends upon the coordinates I am saying. Of course, shortcut means there is no shortcut. We should use the formula. for the 2 points or 3 points. 2 points are single point are making an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis. Find the slope, not slope, equation directly first. Find the equation of line joining. Find the equation of line joining the points. Find the equation of line joining the points 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus 3. This one, try to understand that here this is y coordinate, this is x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. x1, y1 I put here. This is x2, y2. X coordinate is called as axis of and y coordinate is called as ordinate. What is indicating here? Here y coordinates are equal. That's all y equal minus. This is the indicator. If x coordinates are equal, you can say x is equal to the point whatever the equal point is there. If x is equal to 2, simply x is equal to 2, you can write. Y is equal to minus. So another method is there, exam, you can ask a doubt and you can do using the method. Formula, we know that the equation of straight line in 2 points from y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y and x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus of minus 3, y plus 3 is equal to this becomes minus 3 plus minus plus 3 becomes 0. There is no slope, so directly you can write. In that method also you can do. Now third question, find the equation. Find the equation of line joining the points. Find the equation of line joining the points 1 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 2. Now you can understand this one. What is equal here? X coordinate equal. So equation directly you can write x is equal to 1. Next one. Find angle. This is IM equals 7. Find angle. Find angle which the straight line. Find angle which the straight line y is equal to root 3x minus 4. Root 3x minus 4 makes with y-axis. He is asking makes angle with y-axis. General notation. We know that y is equal to mx plus c concept. Y is equal, whenever y is equal to mx plus c, so m indicates slope. Slope meaning is that tan theta. So where theta is the angle made by the straight line with the positive direction of x-axis. So now you can understand m is equal to here mx plus c model root 3. So whenever m is equal to root 3, we know that the slope indicates the tan theta is equal to root 3. We know that tan 60 value, I think you have learned trigonometry in 10th class. So tan 60. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. Students, whenever theta is given, the line making positive direction of x-axis. So here it is 60 degrees. You can understand if the line making positive direction of x-axis the angle. Now we don't want with angle with the positive direction of x-axis. He is asking about inclination with y-axis. So with y-axis should carry. With y-axis should carry. So this line making angle with y-axis. We know that the axes are perpendicular. So you can write alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees concept. So that is axes are perpendicular. The axes are mutually perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular. So angle made with angle made with y-axis is equal to 90 degrees minus 60 degrees. You should write 30 degrees is the correct answer. Now let us write fifth question. Fifth question. Find the points. Find the points. Find the condition. Find the condition. Find the condition for the points. Find the condition for the points a comma 0, h comma k, and 0 comma b. Condition is AB not equal to 0. This is in the brackets condition. Are collinear. Are collinear. Find the condition that a comma 0, h comma k, and 0 comma b are collinear. So whatever the concept and whatever the sums now I am discussing with you, that everything depends upon whatever the concept I say. First of all, you should draw the diagram. Geometry gives an accurate value with a rough diagram, the statement given by Euclid. Now, you can put here capital A. This is x-axis, this is origin 0 comma 0, go. This is B, 0 comma B. And this is the passing through point h comma k. Two methods are there, two methods I say. You can write here A capital A comma 0. First you write capital A comma 0. Put here point P. Capital P h comma k. Capital B 0 comma B. Since A, P, B are collinear. Here A, B are collinear. That implies you can write the slope of AB is equal to slope of EB. Slope of AB is equal to slope of EB. So formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 concept. You can write k minus 0 by h minus a is equal to b minus k by 0 minus h. That implies k by h minus a is equal to k minus b by h. Taking cross multiplication, you can write kh is equal to h minus a into k minus b. That implies kh is equal to, multiply like this, kh minus hb minus ka plus eb. Both sides kh get cancelled. That one taken this side. You can write hb plus ka is equal to ab. Now you write divide by ab both sides. Divide by ab both sides. We can get the value as hb by kb. hb by ab plus ka by ab is equal to ab by ab. ab by ab will be getting cancelled. One time it is b and b get cancelled. A and a get cancelled. Required condition. Required condition is h by a plus k by b is equal to 1. Try to understand that this is the form of the equation of straight line in intercept form. This is a large method. Another short method is there. Second method. Simply we should write, we know that whenever diagram we had written according to condition, we know that equation of straight line in intersect form. Equation of straight line in intersect form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Since the point ph comma k, since the point ph comma k lie on this line, whenever the point lie on this line, simply you can substitute the value h instead of x and the value k instead of y, h by a plus k by b equal to 1. This is the required condition. Is required condition for linearity of the given points. This is the required condition. Five questions completed. Now 6 questions completed. Right? Okay, we have discussed 5 questions. Remaining questions I given homework in previous class. Next, Roman number 2. First question. First question I give homework to given. Among this one, this is an IMP question is there. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. If the slope, find the value of x. If the slope of line, find the value of x. If the slope of line passing through 2 comma 5 and x comma 3 is 2. So you can write the formula slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now you can write 3 minus 5 by x minus 2, that is equated as 2. That implies 3 minus 5 becomes minus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to 2 and will be getting cancelled. Taking cross multiplication, you will be getting minus x is equal to x minus 2. So minus 2 taken this side, it becomes x is equal to 2 minus 1, x is equal to 1. Now let us write another question, problem number 2, third question. Find the value of y if the line joining. Find the value of y if the line joining the points 3 comma y and 2 comma 7 parallel to line joining the points minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Find the value of y in the line joining the point 3 comma y 2 comma 7 parallel to line joining the points minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. The concept we know that whenever the two lines are parallel, then the slopes are equal. Now draw like this. Put here P and Q. This is L1 equal to 0. Put here A and B. 3 comma 5, 2 comma 7. This is a minus 1 comma 4, b 0 comma 6. Now, since L1 parallel to L, that implies M1 equal to M. That is slopes of two lines are equal. So 7 minus y by 2 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 4 by 0 plus 1. That implies 7 minus y by minus 1 is equal to 2 by 1. Taking cross multiplication, we can get 7 minus y is equal to minus 2. So 7 plus 2 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 9. This is the value whenever the two lines are parallel. Now, I will give homework to you. 3 sums I give homework. Later, next concept we can write. Depends upon yesterday questions and today questions. I want to give homework. First one, find the slopes of points. First one, minus 3 comma 8 to 10 comma 5. Second one, 3 comma 4, 7 comma minus 6. Third one, 8 comma 1 minus 1 comma 7. Fourth one, minus 3 comma q, q comma minus q. Next, I am giving work. Find the slopes of lines first one parallel and the second one perpendicular. Parallel and perpendicular to the line passing through the points minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Next one, find the equation of triangle passing through order making equal angles. I said this question. Yesterday I think I given 4 questions. Find the equation of triangle was yes, I given yesterday 4 questions. That's all. Today work is this one. This is homework. Now once again, last one. Find the equation of straight line passing through origin and having equal angles on coordinate axis. Today first question we have discussed. Equal angles on coordinate axis. Let us try to understand. Depends upon diagram. Draw like this. Equal angles. So this is 90 degrees. 90 degrees bisecting is 45. Like this also you can draw total 360 degrees dividing into 4 equal parts, 90, 90, 90 like this, 90 by 245 bisecting. So this may be 135 like this. So you can understand by condition we have. By condition we have theta is equal to 45 in bracket I am writing Q1, whether the line is in quadrant 1, first quadrant is 45. Next, theta is equal to 135, that is Q2. So just simply add 90 degrees. Next, 215 to 25. 225 degrees if it is in Q3. Next to 315 degrees it is in Q4. So m is equal to you can write tan theta is equal to tan 45 or tan 135, tan 45 or tan 135 or tan 225, tan 45 or tan 135 or tan 225 or tan 315 degrees. So according to trigonometry, we know that tan 45 is equal to 1, this is minus 1, this is 1, this is minus 2. Therefore, equation of line passing through origin, we know that y is equal to mx. So you can write y is equal to x or y is equal to minus x. That means plus or minus x. So y plus x is equal to 0 or y minus x is equal to 0 or x minus y equal to 0. These are the equations of straight lines passing through origin and making an angle with the positive direction of x axis. Now another model I want to discuss with you today. Equation of straight line having a slope intercept form. Let us discuss next question. Equation of a straight line having slope comma intercept form. Slope comma intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. I said proofs for every straight line in every manner, in every concept we discuss the proofs. Y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. M equal to slope and c is equal to y-intercept. Intercept of y-intercept. Depends upon this one. Given y-intercept and slope is given. Let us write the condition given slope. That means slope is given slope that too where m writing, where m is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to angle made by line with positive direction of x axis. Angle made by line with positive direction of x axis. Positive direction of x axis. So here you indicate given theta is equal to 60 degrees and c is equal to 3 given. So y is equal to mx plus c, you can write tan 60 into x plus 3. The value of tan 60 is equal to root 3x plus 3. That's all. This is the first question. Next second question, he given theta is equal to 150 degrees and c is equal to 2. So you can write y is equal to tan 150 degrees into x, that is m is equal to tan theta plus tan theta, m is equal to tan theta concept. Tan 150 you can write by R silver teacups trigonometric concept. Tan 150 is equal to tan of 90 plus 60 using alloy angles. Whenever 90 is there, trigonometric numbers will be changed into their respective functions. It becomes a cot 60 value 1 by root 3. So y is equal to minus 1 by root 3 into x plus 2. Taking LCM, it becomes root 3y is equal to minus x plus 2 root 3. So x plus y root 3 plus 2 root, no, minus 2. Minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Another question, theta is equal to be given 45 and c is equal. Theta is equal to 45 and c is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to, simply you write tan 45 into x. Plus c means minus 2. We know the tan 45 value 1 into x minus 2. X taken, y taken this side, it becomes x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Fourth one, he given m is equal to, theta is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3. Tan inverse 2 by 3 and c is equal to 3. So directly you can understand that tan theta is equal to m is equal to 2 by 3. Whenever tan inverse is there, if you take the inverse this side, it becomes single tan. So y is equal to mx plus c concept 2 by 3 into x plus 3. Taking LCM, it becomes 3y is equal to 2x plus 9. You can write 2x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. Now, depends upon this concept, I am giving homework to do. Homework. Find the equation of straight lines. Find equation of straight lines where theta comma c is given. First question, theta is equal to 30 degrees. C is equal to 5. Theta is equal to 135 degrees. C is equal to minus 5. Third one, theta is equal to 225. C is equal to 7. Fourth one, theta is equal to 10. C is equal to 8. Fifth one, you write theta is equal to 120 degrees. 120 degrees, comma, C is equal to 1. Then you calculate the equations of straight lines. Depends upon this concept, y is equal to mx plus c. So, for the m, you need to calculate tan theta. So, whatever the tan values are there, you know the values. Regarding tan theta values only, you will be getting these sums. Okay, students, equation of straight line in various forms we have discussed, and we have discussed some examples also. Let us continue in next class.